3.8 volts. Okay, that's not too bad. It's in the middle of the red, a little bit less than the middle of the red. As you can see, this battery shows it's got about 1,000 cranking amps. The battery restoration. Chapter 1. Lead-acid battery general information. In the average lead-acid car battery, golf cart battery, or variations like sealed batteries, the standard electrolyte solution is 35% sulfuric acid and 65% distilled water. My belief is the acid works on the lead in the plates and causes electricity to be released when demanded. When this release occurs, it leaves behind a sulfation layer. If the battery is charged up within a short period of time, this sulfation layer is converted back into acid by the electricity applied to the battery. So the common belief is that if you leave your lights on or drain your car battery, a soft sulfation layer is formed, and this can be restored by jumping the car and having the alternator charge up the battery and remove this sulfation layer.